When preparing for your future career job, it is important to identify the requirements needed to obtain the position you desire. Such requirements refer to the knowledge, skills, and abilities needed to perform the tasks and duties associated with the position you seek. Once you have identified the KSAs for the position you seek employment in, it is important to practice and assess your skills and abilities in order to determine your strengths and weaknesses. Doing so allows you to identify areas needing improvement so that you can work on them before you decide to apply for the position and seek an interview. After recently participating in assessment through the Lilat Center, I found out to my surprise that I have a long way to go before I'm ready to pursue my career job. The assessment determined that areas regarding initiative, communication, and teamwork skills needed improvement. These areas tend to coincide with one another. However, the area driving the biggest concern for me was my initiative skills. Therefore, the following is a planned course of action to improve my ability to take initiative. The ability to take initiative can be defined as the ability to assess a situation and develop a course of action to resolve or fix the problem. Being able to take initiative is important in today's workplace because employers are actively seeking employees who can think on their own feet and who can take action without being told to do so. According to Carnegie Mellon University professor and national consultant Robert E. Kelly, the first step in improving your ability to take initiative is to set goals. These goals need to be SMART goals, meaning they need to be specific, measurable, attainable, result-oriented, and timely goals. By setting SMART goals, I can develop a sense of understanding for what I hope to achieve with the overall outcome of my efforts. Doing so allows me to take initiative by developing a course of action intended to help me achieve these goals. Such courses of action would be to develop a timeline in which I wish to achieve my goals, to develop a method of assessment, to track my progress and assess whether or not I have improved my skills and reached my goals. And the third would be to set up rewards aimed at motivating me to achieve my goals. The goals I have set for myself to improve my ability to take initiative are to take risks and speak up by presenting my ideas, concerns, and beliefs when participating in group discussions, and to say exactly what I think to avoid giving into the group norm and engaging in groupthink. To achieve this goal, I plan to take a leadership role when participating in group activities, whether they be school, work, or volunteer projects, and not withhold from providing the necessary criticism and feedback that can be used to improve the outcome of the group, as I have tended to do in the past. The second goal I've set for myself is to take on more responsibilities and be more outgoing. To achieve this goal, I plan to go above and beyond what is asked of me at work and to provide insight and assistance whenever I can, whether or not it's part of my responsibility or duties. Part of taking initiative is to take action and put yourself out there. The third goal I have to improve my ability to take initiative is to improve my communication skills. The reason I've set this as a goal is that being able to take initiative at times involves being able to communicate effectively. Therefore, to improve my skills regarding communication, I plan on developing a deeper understanding of the communication process. According to Dr. Kay Barlow, founder of the SMCR communication model, the communication process involves a sender who develops and encodes a message, chooses a medium, and then sends it to the receiver, whose job is to decode the message, choose a method of response, and provide feedback. Being able to understand and or clarify what an individual is saying is important in understanding the task being asked of you, not only by your boss, but also by your team members. Therefore, it is important for me to start asking more questions, clarify what's being said and asked of me, and to keep track of what's being said by taking notes. To track my progress, I plan on taking periodic assessments referred to as situational judgment tests of personality. These tests are designed to measure my ability to take initiative by providing mental simulations of work scenarios that serve as formative indicators of my ability to take initiative. I will track my progress over the next 6 months and administer such tests every 2 months for a total of 3 assessments. If no improvements are made in my ability to take initiatives, I will then just conduct more research on other methods to improve my ability to take initiative and re-administer the assessments until I reach the goal of improving my initiative skills. The things to remember when engaging and improving your initiative skills is that to improve your initiative, you need to do things without being asked. You need to find out what information it is you need to know. You need to set SMART goals and develop a course of action aimed at achieving your goals. And you need to spot and take advantage of opportunities to show incentive as they present themselves. Thank you for taking time to view this presentation. I hope you found it insightful.